Raster Image Printer 12 Printer Management Overview. Version 12 of Peernet's image printers, TIFF Image Printer, Raster Image Printer, and PDF Image Printer include the Printer Management tool. Printer Management is a quick and easy tool that allows users to copy, create, delete, and rename their printer. While it was possible to create copies of the printer and rename the printer through the Devices and Printer menu with previous versions, users are now able to carry out these activities directly through your image printer's interface. The purpose of Printer Management is to speed up the printing process. By allowing users to set the default profile used by your image printer, the need to select the desired profile during each print job is eliminated. In this video, I will give you an overview of Printer Management found in version 12 of your image printer. Printer Management can be accessed through the dashboard. To launch the dashboard for your image printer, double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to TIFF Image Printer, Raster Image Printer, or PDF Image Printer. Select Manage Printers. On launch, Printer Management will show you all of your existing printers, the name of the printers, and the default profiles currently assigned to each printer. If your image printer has just been installed, there will only be one printer listed, with the name TIFF Image Printer 12 and the default profile set as Color Optimized TIFF. For Raster Image Printer, the default printer name is Raster Image Printer 12, and the default profile is Color Optimized JPEG. For PDF Image Printer, the default printer name is PDF Image Printer 12, and the default profile is Adobe PDF. You can create a copy of the printer, change the printer name, and change the default profile. Once you are done making changes, you will need to save your new printer. You can also delete unwanted printers. Printer Management will not allow you to delete the printer when it is the only printer remaining. Now when you print to your image printer, you will see your custom named printer listed, and the default profile will be automatically selected when you print to it. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.